When it comes to boiler service, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is a top pick. If you are in need of high-quality boiler service in the Los Gatos, California area or nearby, we have you covered. Delivering bespoke solutions for every project, our trusted plumbing and water treatment services combine experienced knowledge, innovative technology, and a customer-focused approach. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. Is a boiler service necessary for safety? Boiler service is crucial for ensuring the safety of your home and family. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we emphasize the importance of regular boiler maintenance to prevent potential hazards, such as gas leaks or carbon monoxide poisoning. Over time, boilers can develop faults or become inefficient, increasing the risk of malfunctions. Can regular boiler servicing improve energy efficiency? Regular boiler servicing can significantly improve energy efficiency. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we recommend scheduling routine maintenance to ensure that your boiler operates at peak performance. Over time, boilers can accumulate dirt, debris, and sediment, which can hinder their efficiency and increase energy consumption. A well-maintained boiler runs more efficiently, consumes less fuel, and reduces your heating bills. What is your service area? Our Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment serve the following California locations: Soquel, Aptos, Santa Cruz, Scotts Valley, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Morgan Hill, Saratoga, Campbell, Marina, Gilroy, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, San Jose, Seaside, California. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment office located? We are located at 820 Bay Avenue, Suite 221, Capitola, California 95010, United States. Our phone number is 831-744-7215. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/capitola-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/